Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and that developer options are available. This matters because some brands hide Grayscale. Next, open Settings and go directly to Accessibility or Display on some phones so you can find color controls. If developer options aren't enabled, tap build number 7 times in About Phone, then go back. Once done, make sure to keep the Settings app open. You'll switch between menus in the next step to locate color adjustment controls. You now go deeper. In Accessibility, choose Color Correction or Vision because manufacturers place Grayscale there to aid visual accessibility. Select Grayscale or Monochrome and toggle it on. This instantly removes color so you can judge the effect. If you prefer developer options, open Simulate Color Space and pick Monochromacy. This enforces Grayscale system-wide. Once configured, test with apps and home screen, and make sure to note which method you used. Different methods persist differently across. You finish by verifying Grayscale on several apps and then rebooting, because some phones reset color settings on restart. If the effect disappears, reapply the setting using the other method. Accessibility versus developer options, try the alternate one to force persistence. If problems continue, check whether a third-party launcher or OEM theme overrides display settings and temporarily disable it. One key tip: if nothing works, toggle developer options off and on again. That often clears conflicts without affecting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.